Hi, I'm Swati. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share this DIY wooden cabinet thrift flip. This small cabinet is lying in my kitchen and is black in color. I wanted to go with little lighter tone on it and something that will also match my DIY wall decor. So I did a little refurbishing. I'm going to share with you all. So please like, comment and subscribe to this channel. This time I have this black wooden cabinet to refurbish. It's lying in my kitchen. First of all, I'm rubbing the top with sandpaper till I get some basic texture. Then I'm using this white paint to color the body. I do involve my daughter in any of my project that I do so that she'll learn and play at the same time. But I make sure to give a uniform finish after she's done. On top, I wanted to make some texture with paint and brush to give a wooden feel to it, and I believe I have now achieved it. After 2 coats of paint, leaving it now to dry for 4 to 5 hours, I decided to go with very natural light wood color for top. So I'm mixing the wood color powder and liquid wood polish in equal proportion and applying using a cloth like this. Wood polish not only changes the color you want, but also keeps the base texture of wood. Applying the same even on handles. For more realistic look, you can try this technique of making wooden pattern with black color and simply rubbing a cotton cloth over it. Finally applying a wood polish again to make all patterns permanent and to give a little glaze. Can you see the change? Just look at that shine and real looking patterns on it. My small tea station is now all ready to be set. Perfectly going with my DIY wall decor. Video link in description box for reference. Just loving it. Really, happiness is homemade. Thank you.